everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to bulk delete emails on Yahoo Mail. First of all, open the Yahoo Mail app on your device, then sign up for your account. After that, go to the inbox section at the bottom left corner. First, let me explain what bulk email is. It refers to sending or receiving many emails at the same time. For example, if you receive 20 or 30 emails in a day from the same company or website, those are called bulk emails. Now, for any bulk email you want to delete, press and hold it, and you will see the delete option. Click on delete and your bulk email will be deleted. If you want to delete all bulk emails, just use the same method again. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.